Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 20 in our How to Build a Builderall website training series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a blog post in your Builderall blog, and we're going to show you how to connect your blog posts to the blog feed page. So first of all, let's go to the Cheetah Website Builder over here on the Builderall homepage. Click Enter. Okay, and we're going to choose our animal rescue demo site. Click Edit Site. And on the left-hand menu side, go ahead and go down to Blog. And on the Animal Rescue Clinic blog, click Edit Blog. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a category. This particular blog post is just going to be an example blog post with dummy text. And it's not going to actually be posted live. But first I want to create a category. So this is going to be about dogs. So click the very top, click New Category. Name this Dogs. Click Save. Category is created. Go on the left-hand side again and choose Authors. New. On our About, we're going to choose a name. Okay, you can fill the email and biography if you like. And avatar, we're going to choose a dog one again. Actually, let's go ahead and change it to this one. And select. And at the very top, click Save. Okay, it says her name, and she has 0 articles. So on the left-hand menu side, we're going to go down to Posts. As you can see, we don't have any posts. We're going to the very top and click New Post. And this is our blog space article area. This is where we write. On the right-hand side, we have our title, the thumbnail picture, which we already chose, a category which you can set, which we created earlier, authors, the same, and the time cycle if you want it to instantly post. At the very top, you can click on or off of draft, and that just saves it as a article that's not live, and you can keep editing it as you please. You can also choose scheduled, and it will pop up a little calendar you can choose from. Custom URL is how your web page blog is going to look on your particular blog post, and this is the part that comes after your main domain. Also, we can select a template, and we don't have any blog post templates yet, but we can create one of those, and I'll show you how to do that in a future video. So for now, let's go ahead and collapse all these. And first of all, I want to put my title in. I already have one created. This is where you place it at. And it says the 10 warning signs your dog needs medical attention. When you click off that, it's going to appear in the title section. Let's go ahead and place some of our example text. Paste this. I'm going to copy this. Where it says hi, start writing a post. You can click, left click, and you can paste this. I want to change this all to a different font. Tail, let's see, the Lotto. It's too big. Let's do 16. And now let's say this is our hypothetical blog post. As you can see, our thumbnail is already set. Under categories, I want to choose dog. Author, I want to choose Amy. Time cycle is scheduled. Let's change that to instantaneous. Let's see the custom URL loan. Let's change that for docs. Make it a little shorter. And since we don't have a template created, we're going to leave this blank. We're going to go up to Save. And we're going to go to Post List. As you can see, we have our first blog post. Now we're going to connect this to our feed page. Let's go ahead and click out of this. On the feed page, click Edit Page. And as you can see, we have a little logo up here from the last video. And we have our first blog post. As you can see, we have our image, the title, the first part of the text, and a Read More button. We click the Read More, and we're in the editor, so it won't go anywhere. So let's go ahead and save this real quick. That's fine. If we have more blog posts, they'd show up here. You can click them, the numbers, and click Next. Let's save this one more time. That's fine. Close. Let's go ahead and preview this up the top. There we go. There's our first preview. We're going to click Read More. So actually, in order for this button to be clickable, we have to go to the actual live site. We can't use the preview site. So let's go ahead and click out of this. On our Pages area, go to the feed, click on the settings icon, and click Go to Website. Here we see, we can now click the button to read more. And there you go. That's our demo blog page, or blog post. We have our title. We have the author, Amy Harris. We have the date. We also have her image. We have the body text. And we have our social media icons. Down towards the bottom, you're going to also see, you may also like, a blog feed carousel. If we had any more blog posts, they would show up here, and they could also be clicked as well. The really nice thing about Builderall is all this can be customized, even down to the social media icons and the feed carousel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments or video topic ideas, you can place them down below in the comment section. Also, if you'd like a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, I have my affiliate link in the description down below. Thanks for watching the video. I look forward to seeing the next one. Take care and have a great day.